In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create math equations in Microsoft OneNote using ink or text. This feature is especially useful if you're working with formulas, solving equations, or taking math-related notes. OneNote includes a built-in math assistant that can convert handwritten equations into clean, readable text, making your notes look more organized and professional. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page where you want to create your equation. You can use a touchscreen device, a mouse, or even your keyboard, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Once you're ready, go to the top menu and click on the Draw tab. Inside the Draw tab, look for the Convert section. Here you'll find the option labeled Ink to Math. Click on it, and a new panel will open where you can begin writing your equation. This is where you'll input your math expression using ink. Start by writing your equation in the input area. For example, you might write something like 3x cubed minus 5x plus 7. As you write, OneNote will try to recognize your input automatically. However, there may be times when certain parts are not interpreted correctly. If that happens, use the Select and Correct option within the panel. This tool allows you to highlight the part of the equation that needs fixing. Once selected, OneNote will provide alternative interpretations. Simply choose the correct version, and it will update your equation accordingly. Next, continue building your equation by adding more elements. For example, you can extend it by writing equals 12 minus the square root of x plus 6 divided by 4 squared. So your full equation becomes 3x cubed minus 5x plus 7 equals 12 minus the square root of x plus 6 divided by 4 squared. As you go along, you can also use the Erase option to remove any unwanted parts by dragging your cursor over them. If you notice any additional errors, return to the Select and Correct tool and adjust those sections as needed. This helps ensure your equation is accurate before finalizing it. Once you are satisfied with your equation, click the Insert button. OneNote will then convert your handwritten input into a properly formatted math equation and place it directly onto your page. And that's it. You've successfully created a math equation in OneNote using ink or text, making your notes clearer and more professional. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.